Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we will be comparing the GoWISE USA digital air fryer and the Ninja Air Fryer XL. If you find our video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more product reviews. The Ninja Air Fryer XL boasts a 5.5 quarts non-stick basket and crisper plate, allowing you to cook up to 3 pounds of food at once. On the other hand, the GoWISE USA air fryer is equipped with a basket divider accessory, making it possible to cook 2 meals at once. In this category, the Ninja Air Fryer XL takes the lead for its higher capacity. The GoWISE USA air fryer presents 8 preset cooking options including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. Aside from these presets, you can also use manual controls to customize the temperature and timer. Meanwhile, the Ninja Air Fryer XL offers 5 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. In terms of functionality, both air fryers are winners, but it depends on personal preference. If you want more presets and divided cooking, go for the GoWISE USA. If versatility in cooking is what you need, the Ninja Air Fryer XL is for you. Both air fryers promote healthy cooking by using little to no oil, but the GoWISE USA air fryer claims that its rapid air technology allows you to cook your favorite food without the extra calories. Unfortunately, this claim still needs more empirical evidence to support it. The Ninja Air Fryer XL, however, has been tested to reduce up to 75% of fat compared to traditional air frying methods, making it a healthier choice. In terms of health benefits, the Ninja Air Fryer XL wins this round. Both air fryers offer non-stick baskets and crisper plates, making them easy to clean. However, the Ninja Air Fryer XL takes the lead in this category with its feature of being dishwasher safe. The GoWISE USA air fryer doesn't specify that it's dishwasher safe. If you value easy cleaning and don't want to wash your air fryer by hand, the Ninja Air Fryer XL is the way to go. The GoWISE USA air fryer is priced at $89 and the Ninja Air Fryer XL is priced at $159. If you're on a tight budget, the GoWISE USA is probably the better choice. However, if you're willing to splurge on an air fryer that delivers more features, the Ninja Air Fryer XL is a more premium choice. In terms of price, it depends on your budget and preferences. That concludes our review of the GoWISE USA digital air fryer and the Ninja Air Fryer XL. We hope that we've provided you with valuable insights that will help you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews in the future.